Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be jumping into our 26 Honda Prologue and we're going to be installing some seat covers by Coverado. Coverado was awesome enough to sponsor this video by sending these out for us here, so thank you very much, Coverado. I've used their car seat covers in the past on my 2017 Ram and they are phenomenal. So really looking forward to getting these in there and getting the new seats protected with the car seat covers here. So let's dive into it. All right, when you get everything opened up right here, this is what you're gonna have. You're gonna have these plastic chucks right here, and then you're also gonna have some metal clips that go underneath the seat. And then also you are gonna get your installation instructions in there with it. They're pretty well written right here. As you can see on our upper pieces for our seats right here, we're gonna be putting the plastic chucks on here. On the lower seat cushions, we're gonna be putting these metal clips on there so that way they can hook to the bottom of the seat frame. Just like that. So again, we just take this and slide it in and slide it on the other side, and that is installed. So pretty quick and easy, not too bad. So that is it for the front seat for the upper back part, and let's do the base of it now. Now for the base of it, it's got these clips right here, so these are going to be for the back side, so we don't need to worry about that. And then on the front, this is where these little clips come in here. So I'm just going ahead and slide this on over this right here and get the clip installed like so. And that's it. So this is going to hook underneath the seat to the frame, and same thing on this other side right here. Just pop one of these on here and we should be good. Now sometimes these may be a little bit hard, so I just like to take a little flathead screwdriver and just kind of slide it in here just to give it a little bit of a space, and that way it slips on a little easier. All right, there we go. So that is the first seat. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so in order to get these seat covers in here, the very top, you're going to want to open that up, and then you should be able to slide it on over the seat. Okay, for the back side of the front seat, these chucks are just going to tuck right on up into here, just like that. Same thing on this side. For the front, same thing. These are just going to tuck on in to the middle of the seat right here. So you want to undo these clips right here, and then these will clip around the sides right here. Now the last part on getting these seat covers installed right here, we've got the sides clipped on right down here. Now we're going to come around to the front, and we're going to go on ahead and attach these front hooks right here. Now for the final part, installing the headrest cover. Very simple, it just slides on over. Just like that. And then this piece tucks up underneath and velcros up on the inside. And that is it. So that is one seat done. It's going to be the same thing for the other seat. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for the seat cover install here on the Prologue. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And also, please make sure you go check out Coverado.com, and at checkout, go ahead and use code Kunert DIY for 10% off. And I will also have a link in the description below for you guys to check out.